why was the House of Elders or Rajya Sabha built in the first place? The mirror was House of Lords. If you look at the conduct of the House of Lords, even today, it is not as acutely and shockingly polarized as Rajya Sabha is. Because the reason is the House of Elders was supposed to guide more with philosophical moorings than political moorings. In India, it is exactly the opposite. So you have entrenched views that are reflected in Lok Sabha that go on and get mirrored in Rajya Sabha. And that is the reason why people are fighting for each and every seat and going hammer and tongs that let me get majority. Now, let me tell you, other than the constitutional amendment, the majority of the bills that are tabled in Lok Sabha do not require or cannot be permanently blocked by Rajya Sabha. And I'm including presidential orders in it. By the way, 370 was a presidential order, the abrogation of it, so did not require. You are right. Constitutional amendment requires Rajya Sabha majority. And there, yes, BJP is right to be cynical that a lot of things that it wants, our politics is so entrenched that unless Rajya Sabha also votes, you're not going to be able to follow it or not going to be able to pass it. But let me just say this. Farm laws, land acquisition, UCC does not require or could not have been permanently blocked by Rajya Sabha. What is the status there? So there is a lot of things that the BJP still can do by virtue of presidential order and the Lok Sabha that does not require the Rajya Sabha. Let it go ahead and do it.